He can't bear to leave me. In the morning, I'm too blind to see.
Hi guys, it's Kiesha or Kiki, whatever you like to call me. But today I'm going to be doing a twist out. I'm gonna attempt to do a twist out because every time I do or try to do a twist out, it comes out horrible. Because in my mind, I have like a vision of how I want it to come out, but it never comes out that way. I don't know why. But yeah, today I'm gonna be doing, I guess like a chunky twist out. And the products I'm gonna be using, well, hopefully they mix together. I mixed them on my hand and they seem to mix well together, but I'm just praying they do. But I'm gonna be using this Cantu Shea Butter Leave-In Conditioner. This. And I'm going to be using the Daughter Coco Créme Coil Enhancing Moisture Butter. I'm going to go in with my Cantu Leave-In Conditioner. I don't really like how this, like when I first went natural, beginning of my natural hair, like having natural hair, after I cut off my relaxing, this worked good for my hair. But now, I don't know, it don't seem to work so good. I don't think I want that much. I put like that much, a little bit. Just gonna rub it in my hands. Wait, when I warm it up. Now I'm gonna go in with the Coco Créme Coil Enhancing Moisture Butter. And this stuff is like super, super thick. Like it's thick. I guess I'll go with that much. I'm praying they mix well together. They mix well, surprisingly. Because this Cantu Leave-In, like, I could never find anything that makes well with it. Like anything.
Then pretend that you can't stay. Tell me who I have to be.
The rest of my hair. I'm praying my hair comes out right. Because the twists look like mad juicy. So let's pray for the best.
I think we grow. You always seem to let me know it ain't working. It ain't working. And when I try to walk away, you hurt yourself to make me stay. This is crazy. This is crazy. Care for me, care for me. I know you care for me, there for me, there for me. Said you'd be there for me, cry for me, cry for me. You said you'd die for me, get to me, get to me. Why won't you live for me? Oh, you, where were you when I needed you? Oh, no matter how I think we grow, you always seem to let me know it ain't working.
Just twisting my hair. I think I have a total of like 8 twists. This is just how they bring close. So yeah, it probably take a day or two to dry. Then I will show you guys the takedown process and how my hair turned out.
And we both end up the sky.